Naji here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are continuing our discussion with Gemini, and in this video we will be discussing on Gemini Vision. So how Gemini handles the images. Okay. So Gemini is actually a multimodal model. So that means it will accept both text and the images. So earlier GPT 3.5 we know that it is only accepting the text only. So Gemini is a multimodal which will accept both text and the images. Okay, so here we can see how this will work. Okay, so in my previous video I have explained how you will get the environment, how you will get the Google API key, and here we are going to pip install Google Generative AI, which is the package for Python. Now we are importing the Gen AI or Google.generative AI. Okay, now so I have a image is there. Now we can read that particular image. For that we can use fill.image. Okay, so I am importing fill.image. Now I can read or open this image. Okay, I can open this image. For that, let me take the path from here. This is the path. Let me paste it here. Okay, now we have the image. We can try to print the image. Okay, so I am printing the image. I'm just waiting. Okay, so this is the image. See, it has some chicken, I believe, and it has some rice and some veg also. Now we can pass this image to our Gemini model. So here we are going to create a model. Okay, the model is, we can take a Pro Vision model. So we can have a generative model, then we can going to take Gemini Pro Vision. Okay, so this is the model that we are going to use. So we have our model. Now we can pass this image to our model. We can see the result. Okay, here we have generate content. Okay, now I can pass the image. So we already have the image. Now I am going to pass this to the model. Okay, so it's executing. Okay, execution is done. Now we can print the response.text. Sorry, it will be text. See, so the response is chicken teriyaki meal prep bowl with a brown rice, roasted broccoli and the bell pepper. So it is almost trying to able to identify what is there in this picture. Okay, now we can try to use this picture and we can ask to write a short description about this picture. Okay, for that what we can do, maybe we can create a model dot generate content. So this is symbol generate content. Here I can pass a text. Okay, so I can say that here I can say write a short blog post based on the picture. Just passing this one. Now I can pass the image. Here I can set the stream is equal to true. Okay, so here we are getting a problem. So let me check this. could not create a blob accepted blob dict fill dot image or Python image. Okay, let me see this. Okay, here I am giving, okay, here I am giving an extra bracket, so still have issues. Okay, let me correct this. Okay, now it seems to be working fine. Okay, so earlier, like, I have some issues with this brackets. Okay, square bracket. Now we can print it response.text. Okay, so I need to type response.resolve. Okay, then only like I will be able to type, otherwise we have to loop it. So response.resolve, let me type. Okay, now it's done. Now, okay, here we can see mail is prepping is a great way to save the time and money, and it has also help you to eat healthier by planning your, so it's giving like some description about this particular picture based on this particular picture, because this picture is based on a what we called it's a food picture. So the model is able to identify about this picture, and it is trying to generate or trying to give description about this particular picture. Okay, so this is very easy to implement, and using Python it is very simple, so you guys can also try it out. Okay, so if you have any questions, please post me, I will try to answer it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.